Today we're making dates stuffed with goat cheese and wrapped in bacon. A simple party appetizer that will get rave reviews from your guests. So let's get started. So step one, simple. Get a package of bacon, and what you're going to do is cut it in half. And we're going to set this aside. Okay, the next step is finding your dates. I'm using Trader Joe's Medjool dates. They're a little bigger than the usual dried dates. So we're going to take the pits out. Now that we've pitted our dates, we're going to open them up and we're going to stuff them with our goat cheese. Dates are stuffed and now we're ready to roll. Take your bacon, place it on the board and roll. Now that our dates are wrapped and rolled, they're ready for the oven. I like to use a foil pan and we'll line them up. So our dates are stuffed and ready to go into the oven. Let's try our appetizer. Delicious. It's a perfect balance of the sweetness of the date, the tanginess of the goat cheese, and the bacon. Delicious, perfect for your holiday appetizer. Buon Appetito and ciao.